Why do 70% of buyers choose a used Chrysler Pacifica? Let's find out. The Chrysler Pacifica is known for its spacious interior, making it perfect for families. With seating for up to 8, it's a road trip game changer. Pro number 1, affordability. Buying used means you dodge that hefty new car price tag. You can snag a great deal and save serious cash. Pro number 2, features. The Pacifica is packed with amenities like a touchscreen infotainment system, stone-go seating, and ample cargo space. Even used models often come loaded with these goodies. But what's the catch? Con number 1, maintenance. Older vehicles can come with a history and not all of it good. Be prepared for potential repair costs. Always check the vehicle's history report before buying. Con number 2, fuel economy. While the Pacifica isn't a gas guzzler, it's not the most fuel-efficient minivan on the market. If you're doing a lot of city driving, this could add up. In summary, a used Chrysler Pacifica can be a fantastic buy for families needing space and features without breaking the bank. Just do your homework on the vehicle's history and condition. So, is it smart or risky? With the right research, it can definitely be a smart choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car buying tips.